About to make some pear wine and some pear brandy. My buddy Quentin brought me these. We're gonna make it together. It's gonna be good shit. All right, we got a shit ton of pears in there. Got about 8 gallons of water in there. Got a couple gallons in there. I'm gonna dissolve some sugar. I'm gonna dump it in here. I got my bucket warmer on it, warming it up. We're gonna get it up to temp. We're gonna add our yeast. We're gonna let it sit for a couple weeks. I'm gonna use 2 packs of 71B. After it sits for about 5 minutes, you want to stir it up again. You know. We're gonna add our 2 gallons of sugar. 13 pounds. We use 13 pounds of sugar and 2 gallons of water. I don't know how, that's a little over 10 gallons, I imagine. Who knows? It's probably about 10 gallons of water. But it's gonna be good pear wine. Lots of fucking pears. And we're gonna get a temperature reading of this, and then we're gonna add our yeast. All right, we're gonna add our yeast. Stir it up, put the lid on it, and come back in 2 weeks. Move it to the secondary. All right, it's time to run these pears. We're gonna transfer that liquid into that keg, build our still, and run it off. We decided we're gonna make pear brandy. We ain't even gonna fool with no wine. All right, we got that fool. Got it set up all the way around Jander. Now this is our thumper. And what we like to do, what I like to do, is put some high proof liquor in here. If you put high proof liquor in here, at least a half gallon or so. So I put a couple of those. Some people put mash, but they end up with low proof output. By doing this, our proof's going to go up. On top of that, we're going to put some pears in here. I'll show you to also infuse more pear flavor. All right, I'm putting 4 cans in there with that alcohol in my thumper. Pear halves and pear juice from concentrate, whatever you can get your hands on. You want to put that flavor in there. We're gonna put this last can in, hook up our thumper and our condenser, and start running. All right, we're just over 150 proof. That's our first jar. Actually, that's our first jar after the heads was sewed out.
Just put me a hose of that so I can just...
I rub my dick all over that nozzle all weekend long.
All weekend long?
Like, yeah. I'm gonna try and get my dick drunk.
Try to get your dick drunk, huh?
These are all the things I'm about to make it do. It probably ain't good. All right, we're gonna try this pear. We got
welcome me to the video.
Oh yeah, Big Easy's gonna try this pear with me. My buddy Quentin has got a big pear tree in his yard, and a limb fell out of it, and he didn't want him to go to waste. And he got up with me and said, let's make some wine or brandy, and we ended up making brandy. So we got 160, 150,
140,
140, 130, 115, and then the still stopped because I ran out of fucking gas again.
He got too drunk.
I was getting drunk all day.
He got way too drunk, passed out. But he ain't got no tails.
If you're gonna run, make sure you got gas. But there's no, I mean, we was gonna cut it off about then anyways. I just didn't get to keep the tails. I was gonna keep the tails for some other stuff. Tails are awesome to use in other things. That's good.
It's got some bite to it.
That's good.
I got 130 though.
115 ain't much different. It smells great.
It's warm all the way down.
Tastes great. And it gets you fucking drunk. But
once the
it smells so fucking good.
Just like all brandies, man. Once that heat goes away, the fruit really comes in on your lips afterwards. And that's one thing you got to think about when you're trying brandy. It's going to be hot at first, and then once that heat goes away, you just wait, and then that fruit will be on your lips, and it'll taste really nice.
I get it the entire time, but it does come through more and more.
My
Cools
sniffer
down.
ain't 100% yet, so I'm not
Yeah.
smelling it a whole lot.
This dude ain't gonna smell right for another year. He had COVID, but
Okay.
come out good, man. Really good. Smells great. Tastes great. I was worried because pear has such a mild flavor to it. So, but adding those pears and that syrup and that alcohol to that thumper, that made it push through. It's really good.
A little flavor infusion always helps.
Hell yeah.
Always. I'm trying this 160.
We'll make a lot more fruity stuff soon. Gonna make a lot more stuff coming up. Good?
I'm good.
You good? You too strong?
Nah.
You burn your butthole
I'm
out,
just
huh?
seeing if I can smell a difference.
Alright, well, that's our pear brandy.
Perry Shine! Perry Shine!
Fuck your mama, bitch!
I was trying to smell. I can't
Wish
smell.
I could smell.
I just want to smell. Dude, the only thing I've been able to smell was I was in fucking Dollar General and I walked by this lady and she smelled like a buffalo's asshole, dude. And it's all, and I could smell it